My name's Ankush.
My name is Zach.
My name is Ross Morrison.
I'm Kira Noel, and this is the RoboRavens. I started with the team 3 years ago.
This is my 3rd year.
I've been on the team for 3 years.
I am the teacher mentor for Team 4783.
My name is Harry Page, and I'm the president here at Pleora Technologies. I think, successful and local companies really have a corporate social responsibility to actually give back to the community and actually fund things like this that will have a significant impact and shape their future, their career, and then impact their life.
Our sponsors make us. If without our sponsors, we could not do this.
The fee for entering the competition alone is $7,500. Then the robot's usually $3,000, $4,000. There's also travel.
We need to rent vans, we need to rent hotels, we need to pay for meals and everything, and it's just lots of stuff that has to be paid for in order to even think about going to these competitions.
Leading an event like these robotic events actually helps to develop a set of science and math and technical skills that actually are really going to help people in their career.
So this year there are 3 kind of teeter-totter-like objects on the field.
And then you need to take cubes, which are essentially milk crates, and then use them to tilt the scale towards your color. And then you get points for as long as you have the scale tilting in your direction.
But there's also a climbing aspect this year where the robot has to climb up, hook on a rail, and lift itself 12 inches off the ground. So we have 4 mentors in total, and our job to do is just to help the kids, to push them along, keep them organized, and to help them where we help, essentially. The kids have to build the robot. It's their job. That's the whole point behind it, is the kids learn.
One thing that really impressed us was the ability of the team to self-organize and self-manage the work they do. There's a set of skills there that, in fact, in many cases aren't resident in large companies. The ability of teams to self-organize, self-manage is the basis of high-performing teams.
Last year I ended up becoming the programming captain and leading the programming efforts for the whole team, which was a lot of fun. And this year I've gotten to be the captain.
So I'm the build and design lead. That means I'm in charge of manufacturing and assembling the robot when it is finished, and I'm also oversee the design process when it's going.
Marketing involves basically all the social media, the website, contacting sponsors, doing the business plans, write up for awards, and basically all the other stuff that aren't build, program, or design.
Most of these kids do want to go into either engineering or engineering tech or some sort of field like that. And I find that once they start doing this, they develop a whole lot more confidence, and allows them to bring up into leadership roles. And I feel that's very important too, to get them ready.
Well, one of the things about the team context like this, it often puts you outside your comfort zone. You're often put into a situation where you have to demonstrate leadership skills, communication skills, things that you didn't want to do previously.
I wasn't really sure if I wanted to be in robotics, but then I ended up liking the build and all the work that went into building the robot, and I liked everyone here, so I pretty much stayed because of that.
I came in with no self-confidence at all. I had trouble talking to people, and I've gotten to the point where I can actually lead and I feel confident in myself.
All of a sudden I went from not knowing how to use any of the tools all the way to learning how to use all the tools, started teaching people how to use tools. I've been doing a bit of everything, actually. And that's why I keep coming back, because there's always something new.